Bitcoin is testing $100,000 right now, and all the altcoins are waiting and watching to see what Bitcoin does because Dogecoin is looking like it is going to go to the moon. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Dogecoin and my thesis on Dogecoin. Can it go to $2? We're going to take a look at that. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video, guys. Okay, so we are looking at Dogecoin right now. Look at this absolutely impressive curvature coming up to test previous highs. We're looking at Doge USD. We came all the way up. This chart is only bringing us to 50 cents, but we came all the way up to almost 90 cents in the previous bull market, guys. Right now, Dogecoin is curling up, and it is getting ready to blast off. And we're going to break this down, and I'll give you my opinion on where I think we're going here. So Dogecoin is sitting at rank number 7, up about 2% in the past 7 days, up about 1.86% in the past day. And something I want you to pay attention to here is it is a $56 billion market cap. May basically call it a $57 billion, okay? Where can it go from here? Can it really go to $2? That would be basically a 6x from here, okay? So 6 times where we're at to bring us to $2. Looking at Dogecoin, we are sitting at an $8 billion 24-hour volume, which is very healthy. Guys, the thing with Dogecoin is that you have Elon Musk that is backing this coin. It was the first coin he's backed, and Elon Musk has flirted with other meme coins and in the cryptocurrency space, obviously. I mean, he was basically one of the catalysts that set us up for the last bull market. But Elon Musk moving into a governmental position in the United States and creating the DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency, he's just hinting at Doge over and over again. I think when the bull market really moves on, when Bitcoin cools off and altcoins really start to move, you could see Dogecoin do some absolutely face-melting rallies to the upside, guys. I think that's very, very likely. And yeah, there is a high inflation rate on Dogecoin. That's the only thing that's really turns me off about holding it for a long period of time. Like, the total supply will always continue to grow. So obviously, when it's the same thing with the US dollar, when the dollar gets printed, the value goes down. But I'll be honest with you guys, I think that Dogecoin's mind share will probably push it up significantly more, maybe even to $2. I mean, the $1 Dogecoin was like the meme. But if you have Elon Musk behind, maybe $2 is possible. That would bring us to, let's pick this apart, okay? A 6x from here is basically a $330 billion market cap. And if we look at the entire market cap right now, Bitcoin is basically trading at $2 trillion, almost at $100,000. It's absolutely insane to say that out loud. But a $600 billion, $300 billion, we're looking for a $300 billion market cap for Dogecoin to reach $2. That is just underneath Ethereum. That is only moving up from rank 7 to rank 3. I think it's possible. I think it will require a lot more liquidity to move into the cryptocurrency space, but it is possible. I think that we can see Bitcoin continue to make moves to the upside. I think that Bitcoin can flip the market cap of gold someday. The question is, will it happen this cycle? That's basically a 10x. That is about another 10 trillion. No, excuse me. That is another $16 trillion moving into the crypto ecosystem, because the overall market cap of gold is about 18 trillion. And right now, the overall crypto market cap is basically 3 trillion. Okay. So keep that in mind. It is a big, big amount of money. But when we look at Dogecoin, you can see that we've been curling up. Guys, the crazier that Bitcoin goes, the crazier this market gets, and the higher Bitcoin goes. When altcoins finally do run, you should expect the liquidity to first flow into the top 10 coins, top 20 coins, and trickle down. And we'll take a look at Bitcoin dominance here shortly. But, I'm not a crazy moon boy on the Crypto Report. I'm not. But I do think that people need to be raising their targets here. I think that this market can get really crazy. I mean, I don't know how we could have a more bullish scenario. You have the entire world shifting towards pro-crypto. You have the U.S. government talking about implementing a Bitcoin strategic reserve. You guys know if the U.S. does that, all the other countries are going to follow suit. It's going to be like an arms race to really capitalize and get your hands on that Bitcoin. Gary Gensler announced that he's stepping down today, the chairman of the SEC, and he's been a huge thorn in the side of innovation when it comes to cryptocurrency, the cryptocurrency industry. I don't know how, and you got Elon Musk backing Dogecoin, and he's moving into the U.S. government for efficiency. It's absolutely insane. It's mind-blowing. I don't know how it can get more bullish. We just need to be paying very close attention to when Bitcoin dominance breaks down, these altcoins really move. So over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blacksea. I say max pain, Bitcoin keeps mooning, alts keep bleeding. Then when you sell your alts, they all 10x across the board. I think that this is the playbook. I expect this to happen. I think that we could potentially continue to move to the upside for Bitcoin, and alts could bleed out. This is reminding me a lot of the 2017 Bitcoin bull market when Bitcoin just kept running higher and higher and higher, and the altcoins just stayed flat. They just stayed flat for a long, long time. And then when Bitcoin started to break down, that's when you saw these alts just fly to the moon, guys. So I think that there's a lot of similarities right now as there was to the 2017 cycle. Just keeping that in the back of my mind. So if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance, you can see we have just been rallying and rallying and rallying higher and higher through all the support and resistances. I do think that we are very, very close to the top when it comes to Bitcoin dominance. Some people will even argue that the top is in right now because you can see we're starting to correct down on the 4-hourly, but I'm not convinced until we see a clean breakdown, maybe on the daily or the weekly, probably the daily, really. But when you look at this, like we still, if you want to draw a ascending triangle here, like we have not broken down yet. We've not broken down. Unless we break down below, say, 59%, I'm not going to say this is a clean breakdown. We're still in a channel. But this could be the beginning of the breakdown. And when Bitcoin does break down, I expect altcoins to go absolutely to the moon. Dogecoin to go absolutely to the moon. It's going to trickle down from Bitcoin to Ethereum. When you see Ethereum start to run, that's when Dogecoin is going to run. That's when all the utility coins are going to run. And it's going to trickle all the way down to the sub $100 million market cap coins. It is like clockwork, guys. And if you believe that Dogecoin is going to go to the moon and some of these meme coins are going to go to the moon, then please take advantage of the links we have down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin. All you got to do is click that link, deposit, Trailbit, you get a bunch of free money. And you also get a lifetime 10% off your trading fees, which is a limited time offer, guys. So even if you're not thinking about trading right now, I would recommend you sign up on this platform just to get grandfathered into this 10% off trading fees because no exchanges really offer this and you will have it for your lifetime of your account. So please take advantage of that, guys, especially if you think that these coins are going to be going to the moon. You want to leverage long or leverage short them when you think the top is in. Take advantage of it. So where is Bitcoin? Where is Bitcoin dominance? We briefly looked at Bitcoin dominance, but right now Bitcoin is trading at $98,500. We did touch $99,000 today, guys. I expect that we continue. I think that we break above 100K very soon. But Bitcoin dominance is where we need to keep our eyes on here, okay? Bitcoin dominance is 59.72%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're basically trading at 61.72%. So almost 62%, all right, guys? I believe, I've been saying for a long time now, that the top is between 60 and 63%. We are floating around there. Maybe it could go to 65 if Bitcoin decides to make a next leg up here. But I think that we are very, very close to the top when it comes to Bitcoin dominance. You can see ETH running today. It's alive somehow, some way, trading at almost $3,400. When ETH starts to run, that usually is a signal that Bitcoin dominance is going to break down and these alts are going to get some love, and you'll probably see Dogecoin make some big, big moves. $2 Dogecoin, it's a stretch, but if things continue to go the way that they're going right now, and this is really just the beginning of the bull market, then it is possible, in my opinion. When you look at Bitcoin, like I said, we're just starting this curvature to the upside. Something I want to show you guys is when you look at the daily on Bitcoin, the money flow is thick and strong, and the momentum wave is just starting to curl up. The weekly as well, like it is so steep, and it is just starting, this blue momentum wave. The money flow is thick. We probably see continuation here, guys. I do not think that this is over. This game is going to keep going on. We have some time. So do not panic that your altcoins are not moving just yet. Just be patient. Just be patient, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Go follow me at 333blacksea over on crypto Twitter. Very, very active over there. I love engaging with you guys. But that's all I got. I'll see you in the next one.